So you're good to go. I installed a new operating system, also updated all your critical software, and gave you antivirus and anti-spyware.
Okay, great.
Anything else?
Actually, do you mind coming to the garage?
You built a homemade human teleport and got your son's DNA crossed over mosquito.
Kicking myself. His mom's coming at 6, so if you could pick it up.
I'll get my stuff.
When it comes to tech stuff, there's nothing we haven't seen. Go ahead, use us.
Geek Squad!
What's up? What's happening? What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Z-Man here, out here at the site of an abandoned, yeah, that's a thing. I don't know. But obviously it's for lease by the shopping, or space available by the shopping center group. I don't know what this is, but like I said, it's worth research. Whoa. Yeah, it looks like maybe it was a small store, or maybe it was part of Whole Foods at one time, because there's a Whole Foods right next door here. But I don't know what the heck this place was before. Papered up or not. I don't really want to check these doors because Whole Foods is busy, so there's not a place we can look. Here, how about now? Yeah, so there's actually price signs for like an assorted calendar I'm trying to get you guys to see there. If it'll focus on it, but I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it says assorted calendars for like $14.99, so. But as far as that, that's pretty much it, unless, oh yeah, there's more over here. Can't really see much because this is papered up. But there's something you could see through here. I mean, other than that, that's pretty much it for this. You can see a little bit through there. There's something red. Can't really tell. Get it there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. I've never seen a place this small that looks like it was a store at one point. What I mean is basically this looks like it was part of Whole Foods or something. Check the doors. Oh, dude. Dude, this door wants to come open for me, but it's not going to. See? They're like dead bolted in, but they have space to come open. Well, other than that, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for me. Yeah, on that back wall, it just says 1 hour firewall protection. That's pretty much all that it says. Oh, there's bowls and plates in there. So maybe this was a restaurant at one point in time. It looks like it is. That's what it was. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff for food in there, so maybe this was a food place at one point in time. I have no clue. I have to look it up. But other than that, we're pretty much done with this location. I thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to make every moment great, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.